Hey. Something I haven't put on here before, innit? When I was a lad, I still am, I used to do the models like many young lads do, trying to make their way in the world. And I thought, no, I packed it up when things changed and whatever and got older. I thought, hold on, why? So, Airfix Mystery Box. There's me 3 models in here. I don't know what they are. Oh, take that out of the way. Ooh. First we have a lightning, I can see that. Now, where's my scissors? Here we go. Oh! I didn't think this was going to come in there. Oh, but it's a starter set, I see. What's the first one here? North American P51d Mustang. Designed and built to a British specification in 1940. From getting we'll give that a go to getting it in the air was 100 days. And you see the 51, they've got the D bit. The only difference between the D rather, P51D and the P51K was the propeller and where it was made. I'll have a quick shifty of this and that doesn't look, I don't know. Should I go through all these and do the bills and stuff? But, oh, look, it's quite good. We've got the other bits and pieces. Even got destructions. Yeah. Markings from 1943 to 1947. I did quite well up to the 1960s. When what's called the football war. Honduras and El Salvador had a little bit of a bust up. On the side using P51s, the other side using F4U Corsairs. Right, I don't know what it is. Ooh. Mark 5 C was the wing configuration. Don't know how old this actual kit is. Come on, you bugger. Oh, dears. Looks like an older kit. Ooh, they don't look good. Unless they are South African markings. So we'll have a shifty. Yep, South African Air Force. Because their roundels are not red, they are orange. Yeah, but then when we left, it all went to pot. That's South Africa, that is. Paints as well, I'm going to need a lot more on them. I remember when I was a lad, used to go about 5 miles down the up the A10, go to Water Beach Aerodrome, as my grandparents used to call it, to Burma Star Day, because round my way the Cambridgeshire Regiment will basically, well, you've seen bridge on the River Kwai, that was them. They're taken prisoner at Singapore And every year they used to have the commemoration, and I saw one of these at 0 feet, full afterburner, and remember what's that sound after I regained my hearing, and it was my little brother in his pushchair crying his eyes out. Ha! Oh, how did we get into this? All his plane was basically was 2 engines and a bloke sitting on top. We'll do this nicely. Not really. Ew, I can't remember, will they spay engines in these? I can't remember. Look, the transfers, or decals, as some call them. Looking quite good. Fire-flash missiles, pretty. First flew in 1954, these. See, I'm not just a pretty face, I do know stuff as well. Anything else? No. Well, maybe I'll do some kit making videos as well. It doesn't just say tall, thin, Kev, really good looking, really intelligent, and everybody wants me. Especially the police. Anything about just music or just guitars? We'll filed. We'll see how it goes.